How to delete all emails before a certain date in Gmail. First, open Gmail. At the top of the page, click the search bar and type before, followed by the date. For example, you can type before:2015/01/01 to find all emails received before January 1st, 2015. Then press enter. Gmail will now display all emails that match your search. To select them, click the Select checkbox at the top of the inbox. If Gmail shows a message that says Select all conversations that match this search, click it to select every matching email, not just the ones on the current page. Now click the Delete icon and confirm if prompted. All of the selected emails will be moved to the trash folder. Keep in mind that emails remain in trash for 30 days before they're permanently deleted, unless you empty the trash manually. That's it. You've successfully deleted all Gmail emails before a specific date. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Gmail